Panel PayDay review. I am going to show you in this video why Panel PayDay is not recommended you to spend any time on. Panel PayDay is not a service site. I am taking like hundreds of services online myself and I would spend any more time on, but Panel PayDay is definitely not one of them. In this video you can judge and I am going to show you why. The first thing, when you on the sign up page, that's a bit of a warning sign here. You can see for yourself here, you can earn like $25 per survey. Here you can earn like $25 per survey. I think it's definitely not the average. Usually there are once in a while survey that pays this much and you will get a lot less for taking survey, but sites that claim that, I think that's a big warning sign. It's a great way to share your opinion and take surveys, but definitely not the average what the survey pays. And if you sign up, you need to agree to receive emails from PayDay. When you sign up, you usually agree to get service from, and it's partners. It doesn't say who partners is, and what you agree to, you actually have no idea. It's partners, what does that mean? And who you allowed to send you emails after you join, who you allowed to send you mails and information. And I definitely don't want to give them my email address, and that's definitely a big warning sign. And you get some offers a lot of before you actually write after you join. You don't get to a members area like you do on any other server side, and these are offers that you can sell pages. Many of them don't even have anything to do with page survey, and they get commissions to promote, so that's actually what you get. And you actually don't even have to join to see what they really has to offer us, and you actually never get to a members area. It's just office they get paid to promote, and if you put in your email what you get, a long list of promotional offers you don't even have to sign up to get access to. Then you actually get to a site, it looks like it on this landing page, sign up page, that you have to join to get access, and there is nothing quality in what they actually promote. And this is a clear sign that for me, you get this, for example, Server Monster. It's another side, definitely not worth it. I've done a review of it, so it's not about promoting, it's what they get paid to promote. And you get to another side here. If you actually just say that you want to delete this, and once you sign up, that's actually what you get. This is what you get to through the office. It just make it look like that on landing page to get your email. You don't actually have to sign up to see this. You will see the survey they recommend. If you click all survey, some of them like Global Test Market, they don't have any like really good information, but they are definitely legit survey side. And there is also a lot that are not worth it. You might not know what to trust, and they don't even take you to the actually survey side itself. When you click the join button as it promotes, you are not really sure what you are getting, and you get a very superficial little explanation here. If you click on learn more, and you can find some rating finished, where do these ratings come from, some of these, and what you get a very short list. Basically some of the service sites they recommend are definitely legit. They are promoting what they get paid to promote, and you have no idea how to find the best option for you, and you don't know if it's a good offer or not. It's very little information you get. One more thing, you can join a Facebook community. It's just a Facebook group. They have these posts like all inboxes, and they promote a lot of, in my opinion. So it's a promotional group. It's not anything to do with the community, in my opinion. And if you don't have really in-depth knowledge about base survey, you don't know the quality of the site. So overall, Panel PayDay is, in my opinion, a complete waste of time. First of all, the office you get there, some of them repo and some of them are legit sites. Second, I will not recommend you to give them your email address. It says partners. You don't know what that means. You don't know who they are sharing to. First of all, I would not recommend you to give them your email address. And when you actually see what you then get, there is just a very short list of a few surveys that you can join. There is no member survey. Again, it's a very varied. Some of the sites are definitely worth joining, but some of them are not, and the information here is so superficial. I would definitely not recommend to share your email address with them. So in my opinion, definitely not a site for spending any time on.